Milo is here. Look how big. Look how big. Oh my God. Assuming your beans are in your neck, yes. Look at these beans. Look at them. Look at them. Look, look, look. I gotta try the one. Look at them. Look how far back I have to stand. Their head goes past my shoulders. Look at them. Oh my God. They're so cute. The vision, I can't see my phone straight on, but I have to turn my head just the tiniest bit to see it. Heaviest head that I own, I figured, but not as heavy as you would think. I would give it that. I definitely thought with this size that this head would weigh more, but, and also there's ventilation through the neck. There's a hole here. That's where I breathe through. But like, yeah. Look how absolute cuteness overload. Absolutely. Adorable. 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 Look at the tiny little nose. Oh my God.